Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. My name is Nikita and I hope all of you are doing well, and this is my day 47 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. And today in this video I am going to share to all of you some important words related to your daily life. Okay, and today I am going to say to all of you some important word meaning to basic level. Yes friend, to basic level, some word meaning, and this is a very easy, and that this is a very important for our speaking, and without this word meaning we are not make video, we are not make sentence. Okay, so guys, without any delay, let's start. Yes, yes means हाँ. Please, please means कृपया. Okay, people and person. People means बहुत सारे व्यक्ति and person means एक व्यक्ति. Okay, and man and man. MAN singular and MEN plural means व्यक्ति और बहुत सारे व्यक्ति. Woman and women. Woman, WOMAN means एक औरत, and WOMEN means बहुत सारे औरत, and I and me, मैं और मुझे. We and us, हम और हमें. वह और उसे, he and him. They and them, they and them, वे और उन्हें. She and her, उसे, वह और उसे. She and her, वह और उसे. Okay, and our and ours, हमारा और हमारे. her and hers, her and hers, उसका उसकी उसके. my and mine, my and mine, मेरे मेरा मेरी, मेरे मेरा मेरी in हिंदी मीनिंग. his and his, his and his, उसका उसकी उसके. you and you, तुम और तुम्हें. you and you means तुम and तुम्हें. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, I don't know you means हिंदी मीनिंग इज मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता. I don't know you. Okay, this and that, यह और वह. our and ours, हमारा और हमारे. child and children means बच्चा और बच्चे. my and mine, मेरी मेरा मेरे. her and hers, उसका उसकी उसके. his and his means उसका उसकी उसके, same meaning. and their and theirs, उनका उनकी और उनके. Okay guys, that's all. I hope this is help to all of us, because whenever I learn something. I learn something, and next day I share to all of us because I want to my practice in English. I want to share to all what I practice, what I do in English for in English. So guys, I hope you like this video and helpful to all of us. Thank you.